Hi guys, and today we are going to be reviewing all the notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy A24. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we have silent. This is the Samsung brand sound. This is Spaceline Galaxy. This is 8-bit bounce. Next up is Alien. It sounds like a UFO. This one is Alpha. Aurora. Sounds pretty perfect to me. This is Beep Once. This is, what do you, Cassiopeia, I think. Okay, that was it. This is Chaos. Contact. This is Cosmic Radio. This is Crescent. Glitter. Luna. Meteor. Milky Way. Nebula. Orion. Prism. Why does it sound like I'm saying prison? Pulse Beam. Bro, what is that? Red Dwarf. Red Dwarf. Signal. Sticky. Telegraph. Transmitter. That is Transmitter. Voyager. Now, next chapter is Calm. This one is Bells.
No, this one. Not this one.
This one is Conclusion. Crystal.
No, let's read. Yes.
This is Evening, like the evening in real life. This guitar, like I'm playing the guitar. Harp. That's my favorite instrument. Hop, like I'm hopping. Lucid. My masterpiece. Banuro. Now we're moving on to fun. This one is Banjo. This is Comic. Concertina. Bro, what is that? Funny whistle. Sounds like me. Wow, harmonica. I have a harmonica at home. Or owl. I like owls. Recorder. Robot. I like robots too. Squeezing like I'm squeezing it. Eh? I'm squeezing juice. Toy Bell. Toy Bell. 80s now. We're moving on to retro. 80s tums. Clavinet. This is like a clue of a game, like in a game of Clue. Coin. Disco toms. Game. My favorite is game. Hit. Old camera. Retro synth. And the last one, synth brass. That one is my favorite. Wait, let me check that again. Same brass. That's in Samsung Health. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.